Hey guys, welcome back to another video with V-La-Nessa. Now today we're going to be doing a vacation on a budget in the parish of Portland. So if you want to see all of these inexpensive places, follow along and don't you forget to like, subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Okay guys, so before I get into this video, I just want to give credit to my friend Chrissy who actually vlogged this experience so that we can enjoy it with her. Now we're in the parish of Portland, which is located on the eastern side of Jamaica. It is one of the most beautiful parish on the island. It boasts beautiful white sand beaches, lush forests thanks to the Blue Mountain, and many attractions. Portland is said to be one of the safest parish in Jamaica. The beauty of Portland is obvious when you explore the Blue Lagoon, Rich Fall, Rio Grande, and many other attractions. And did somebody say food? Did somebody say food? You cannot come to Portland and not stop at Boston Drug Center. So the first stop is Bayview Eco Resort and Spa, and if you're looking for something very inexpensive yet have all the amenities you would like in a resort, then come to Bayview. The rooms there are as low as $10,000, and yes, the price varies depending on the room. And if you just want to relax and take in nature, then definitely Bayview is the place for you. No, this is one of the bedroom which has a queen size bed, television, a balcony, and your standard bathroom which has a shower and a bathtub. Now, as you can see, Boston Drug Center is not so far away from Frenchman Cove. And here at Boston, they do jerk chicken, jerk pork, roast fish, corn, roast yam and saltfish, and breadfruit, ackee and saltfish. Should I say more?
No, it's beef.
First of all, 3 for 100. First of all. Right, now me I go send me I'm gonna come.
7. That's a breadfruit now.
Moving on to Winifred Beach, which is found in the Ferry Hill community in Portland. It is just a mile away from the closed beach where Tom Cruise once juggled his bottles in cocktail. This beach is free, however, they do collect a small contribution just for the maintenance of the beach. So it's the next day at Dayview Resort, and today you're going to get a tour of the property. Now they started off with breakfast, and as you can see, it's your traditional breakfast dishes, or if you don't want that, you can have your American dishes, which is waffles and pancake. Now, as you can see on the property, they have a pool area where you can cool off, swim, or even relax. Now, this is one of the houses that is on the property, and as you can see, we are surrounded by a lot of greeneries which keep the hair fresh. And walking down the hall, you'll see that they have names on the house, and they're maintaining their social distances because it's COVID. But as I was saying, there are names on the house which represent Jamaica, like Bamboo House, Aki House, and the list goes on.
I think I'm doing a pretty good job with this vlogging thing. So when you're hearing this, shh, breathing in season, in session. This is the spa. Wonder if I can go and give you a little tour. They offer a variety of things. You have the massage therapy, the body treatments, facial treatments, ginger, lily packages, nail care. They got it all right here. Let's go to the show, starting with names of girls: Vanessa, Shanique, Shauna K, Cheyenne, Chrissy, Kisharna, Simonette, ABC, Pass or Slow. Starting with names of boys: Christopher, Sheldon, Neil, And you have a little road map here. So that's where we went.
Moving on to Frenchman's Cove, it is said to be one of Jamaica's most beautiful places because both sides are surrounded by vegetation and rocky cliffs. The films Lord of the Flies and Night and Day were filmed on the beach, so casting both the beauty and wildness of the area. It is located on the eastern side of the island in Portland Parish, far from the busy tourist town like Ochias and Montego Bay. Now the cost for locals are 1,000 Jamaican dollars, and for international it would be $12 US.
But this I catch properly because can't see the sun. You gotta swing sacks.
Now moving on to Sunsan, which is located shortly after Frenchman's Cove and before you reach the Blue Lagoon. It is a perfect place for snorkeling. There are several reefs off the coast which has legally enforceable fishing restriction. You can also bring your own kayak and go kayaking, or if you don't want to do that, you can also rent a boat. Now the cost for Sunsan is only 500 Jamaican dollars.
Yes, Vanessa awakened the vlogger in me. This is the Sunsan Beach.
So it's the next day, and the next stop would be Boston Beach, which is right next to the Boston Jerk Center. And the cost for this is $300 during the week and $500 on weekends. So the final stop would be the Blue Lagoon, and this man number was provided by the hotel. His name is Ringo, so you guys can go on and check him out. Ask him, or if you go there, just ask for Ringo. No, he provided them with a boat ride, which will cost $5,000, and of course that is optional. You don't have to go on the boat ride if you don't want to, and they do rafting, which should be cheaper, and many other things.
Deep into the lagoon.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's fresh and salt water mixed together. So when you're swimming on top cold and below warm, the fresh water flows on top and the salt below.
Okay.
And across from the lagoon, you got Tropical Lagoon Beach Bar and Restaurant over there.
Alright.
You got the hotel up top and it's the beach bar. So
Okay.
you stay in the hotel, you can just walk through the mountain and come down.
What we do here is go back.
Lagoon Villas, getting ready for holiday.
Okay.
$1,500 a night. And this space here is a sanctuary. Fishing is not allowed in this space here. So it's a possibility you see the turtles them hanging around here.
Okay.
So I see one of the turtles them over there.
You see it?
Where?
Show her the
Right on
Ringo.
the bottom right there. See the man there?
Oh.
The turtle right there.
You see it?
And times they come right up on the surface, come take breath and go down back to the bottom. Really nice.
Okay.
Them are the one that implement the marine parts.
Okay.
The land owned by the Baron Tisipami from China, they have 2 pillars on the top called the alligator head resort.
Okay.
They are the one that implement the sanctuary.
Oh, so that's alligator head.
So then like from the Trident Hotel back to Winifred Beach, fishing is not allowed in that space.
Okay.
I mean, the reason why they call it Monkey Island, many years ago they used to be monkey, I understand, and the government didn't want them to multiply on the island, so they take care of them to the zoo. And they were brought here by a parent Trinidadian.
Okay.
Trying to establish the family on in Jamaica, but they didn't want them to multiply on the island.
When you say that one here for seaweed chicken?
Yes, seaweed chicken over there.
Yeah, that one here is a man who wants seaweed chicken.
The one next to it is short
Yeah.
hardware.
And this one here is Stuart's Hardware. This big broad one, Stuart's Hardware. And then we're coming over now to Daryl Vaz, Minister of Energy. So this is the Vaz land. Yeah. Right, let's go.
That's a group of company. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, man. This is the one that's Snoop Dogg done in reincarnation. Oh, Snoop Dogg tonight. I think it's on Daily Man from the one.
Okay.
This one after Mr. Bush Stewart. This one here? This one here, yeah.
Okay.
This one the one that they film a part of the movie Cocktail before the cocktail.
Oh.
Yeah. Most of that movie is filmed on the beach at Bagandi. Yeah. And a couple scenes in the villa right there. 4 bedroom, 2,000 years a night. Some of them are 2,000 a night, some of them are 1,500. 3 bedrooms and 1,500.
We're going to want buy up in Solano over here. And build a house. I run down to there, renovate still.
Alright, Mr. Joseph. Mr. Dix.
That'll be a Shannon thing.
Yeah, you got that. Yeah, I know the mazooka. Yeah. My neighbor with Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, KFC.
That's KFC.
Yes, boss. Bless up yourself. Walker's Spice and KFC. Oh, Walker's wood. Yeah. Last one. Walker's Spice. Yeah.